This is just a
Do you
thermometer.
guys see this?
What?
I'm shooting out of my
Yo, what is
laser
that?
pointer. I don't know. Are we going in?
Wait, we don't know how to
have an
play.
notepad.
How do you use a flashlight?
How to use a camera.
Oh, X. Did I just click
Hey,
it?
yo.
Yeah, hit
Hey, yo.
R2, I think, and it opens.
Hey, yo.
Oh.
I don't know if I'm feeling this.
We failed. The door's locked.
Alright, let's start over. Wait.
Hit R2. Guys, this flashlight sucks.
Knock, knock.
Wait. Okay, hold up. Everybody hold up. What items do everybody have?
A notepad.
I think mine
Okay,
is probably Dodge.
one at a time.
Flashlight.
I have a notepad.
Thermometer.
Okay, you got
Notepad and Geist field meter model.
I have a radio, a blue light, and a camera that doesn't work. Oh no, it works now.
I just have this. I think this is the dots projector.
Do you guys want to go into the scary basement that's all black?
Heck yeah, brother.
Don't worry, I'm reading the rules. Oh, there's a light switch.
This isn't scary, bro. There's lights through my camera.
Satan? Hey, you might want to look at the ground, Anthony.
Ground? Oh.
Interesting.
Oh, it's scary.
Is this the garage? What the freak is that? You playing the piano? You tickling the ivories?
Wait, I actually got you.
Oh my god.
Wait. Is it actually mapped?
No.
Brother.
Oh. Doors.
Where'd Tommy go?
Tommy?
Guess you didn't know that the ghost goes for people who are alone?
Huh?
Oh.
Wait, did you hear him yell?
Tommy? I saw
Tommy! Where'd you go, brother?
I just went upstairs. All the lights turned off.
We turned around and you were gone. What?
So how do we win? That's my question.
Yeah, what
We're
is-
supposed to find out what kind of ghost it is.
Yeah, there was like an objective that said find out the ghost type.
The meter's moving. The meter's moving. I don't know what I'm holding, but the meter's moving.
Is it the EMF?
Wait. It's 68 degrees.
I threw it on the ground.
It's 68 degrees?
There, guys.
Good call out.
Wait, it's getting colder.
What?
It's like 65 now.
Shit, buddy.
When you think about it, the ghost can't kill all of us at the same time.
Yeah.
Are you positive?
Alright.
Am I supposed to be able to like see the ghost with the dots? I haven't seen shit so far.
I'm gonna switch to my radio. See if it's
Oh, EMF going crazy. Lights just turned off. Something
What
is
the-
singing. It's right here. It's
Huh?
right in front of us. There's a ghost.
Guys, what?
Yo! See the shadow!
Take a
What?
picture.
It's gone.
Jeez.
It's gone.
There's a bone. It left a bone.
Ew! We can just leave.
Hold on. What's the? Yeah. Let's go back.
What do I do with this notebook?
You're supposed to write this shit
You're
down.
supposed to I think you put it down and the ghost can write in
Oh.
Right.
it. I have no goddamn
Did you
idea.
just throw it on the
Wait. I got you. It was upstairs, so I'll drop it up here.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, brother! Chill! Anthony just tried to sacrifice me, bro.
No, I said get the f out.
My radio was picking up on something. You see anything in there?
I'm trying to see if maybe it's around because we're not in there.
Is this just where we like keep track of stuff?
What do I do with the hammer?
I don't know. Maybe hold it the right way. You're holding it backwards.
Yeah. How the fuck?
Bro's gonna hit himself in the dome.
Well, what if I want to claw at the ghost?
I'm telling you, you don't.
Get it.
Why didn't we turn the lights on up here?
Yeah, but then the ghost turned them off.
Well, that's rude.
Ghosty. Look in the mirror. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna do Bloody Mary.
Let's go.
Nope.
Let's do it.
Everybody in. Everybody in.
In here.
Quiet.
Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary. Bloody Mary.
Does no one else hear that music?
I hear
I
something.
kind of hear something. It's like very quiet.
Alright, quiet.
There's music coming from the bedroom over here.
From in here?
Did you turn on the radio?
I pressed it.
Oh, you fuck. Yeah, it's probably.
My bad.
Oh my god.
Is that-
I feel like the ghost bone is more
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
evidence.
Hey, you guys hear that? The shower. You shower?
The shower in the bathroom is on.
Oh.
There's no bathroom over there.
Wait.
It's
Wait.
probably access from the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, this is on.
What the heck?
I turned it off.
I'm gonna turn on my radio, see if I can pick anything up.
What am I hearing?
That's my radio.
If it's a radio.
Wait, it's cold as.
No!
How cold? How cold? Is it freezing?
It's below 50. It's like 41.
It's coming for
close to
us.
freezing.
It's coming
How
for us,
much
guys.
about to be
is below
freezing. It's about to be freezing.
What?
It's 32.
Okay, there are only two things it can be. See.
It could either be a Ure or an Oni.
Yes, let's go see what your Oni is. Somebody just open and close the door.
No, I'm in my menu.
I think it's gonna be an
It's
Oni.
14 degrees.
What?
Oh my god, it's cold.
Hey,
Turn on the
okay.
music.
Whoa, quiet! Did you guys hear that laugh?
It's there. It's right outside.
Oh my god! You heard that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wait, can it hear us?
Yes.
I didn't.
Level 5, it's level 5, it's EMF level 5.
Guys, we might be dead.
Hold on. How do I go back? Let's get
Oh,
out.
I dropped my
think we're
camera! My camera.
It's right outside the door.
Okay, I got it.
done. Surely
I
not,
saw
right?
it's like.
That was me.
Motherfucker.
Wait.
Let's go. Get through the door.
There's another faucet
I'm
going.
going out.
Ow!
We're leaving.
Did we just... What?
Oh my god, look at our sanity. We got the right ghost. Oh no, we didn't. We got the wrong ghost. Ghost twins.
What? I saw like I don't know if it was holding something or it was just its body. I saw its like arm or something go through the wall when it was walking right out front of the door.
the
So I was like,
What's evidence for the twins? What is this?
okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
Wait.
Oh,
Fuck.
Anthony lost.
Welcome.
Closing the door?
At 1 in the morning. LeBron.
Oh, look at the cute little puppy.
I'll throw down the ghost book once we see the
Well,
ghost.
I don't want to go down there.
Come on, Johnny, let's go.
Oh, I took a picture.
Take a picture of yourself in the freaking laundry room.
Alright, Anthony. You want me to go this
Oh,
way?
it's a freaking radio.
Alright.
I'm going with you guys.
Look at that spirit box going.
Whoa.
Bye,
Leave me alone.
Johnny. I'm gonna check this one out. This is a bathroom.
Yo, bro, what the up?
Oh, it's getting colder. It's below 68.
Maybe it didn't like us coming in here.
Yes,
The baby.
It's warmer down here than it was up there just now.
Well, that's not good.
Sorry, bro.
It gets colder right here.
Oh!
It's
Wait.
getting colder right here.
Johnny, move. Johnny, move.
Sorry, bro.
I thought I saw something.
Yeah, it's our breath. It's cold.
Something's clicking.
Oh,
Something's
EMF.
clicking.
The EMF is going up a little bit. That's my EMF.
What do we do?
It's almost
Try to-
freezing.
Try to detect what the ghost is.
It's almost freezing.
If
Wait,
you
it
have
stopped
any
going
guess-
down.
It
Probably
stopped?
Throw down the dots projector. It'll still be on, I think. Like if you leave it on the table.
Actually? Well, I threw it.
I think
Whoops.
Something is going on. It's
Oh,
gone.
something's clicking. Something's
Yeah,
clicking.
I think it's gone. Wait. When I stand like over here, it gets colder again. Is it outside?
By the door.
I'm gonna see if she wrote in the book.
Is that one?
Oh yeah, let's go. Go downstairs.
Lori Brooks,
Is
I
that-
brought you
Wait,
a notebook.
wait. Did you hear that?
Is that us breathing? It's right there.
Oh, she's right there. She's right there. She's right there. What do we do?
She's
What do we
hunting,
do?
she's hunting. Run, get out!
What? What? Guys,
He's
mother.
gonna kill you.
I don't think I technically saw it get to freezing.
Do we want to turn the lights back on, or?
I think they like having the lights off. So that might, like, be able to attract them, I guess? We haven't seen anything.
The lights outside turned off.
Uh-oh.
Why you keep putting us in the dark, girl?
Evidence is spirit box, ghost orb, and dots.
Who wants to? It says they respond to people who are alone. Do we want to split up all across the house and try to talk to it?
No.
You guys go in the house, and I'm going in the truck.
Yeah.
That means you're the only one out there that will respond only to you.
Yeah, so Johnny, you go to the truck.
Yeah, shut the doors and leaving you guys here.
I'll say, you guys pick your rooms.
I don't wanna.
2v2?
Yeah, 2v2's better. Johnny, come with me.
2v2.
It responds to people who are alone.
Yeah, alone with each other.
That just doesn't make sense.
Okay, I'm alone, but with David. So,
Wait, how do we know if somebody's dying though? Well, here, John, listen. We'll just, hey, Anthony. All right, listen, John. We'll just let them go by themselves, and then we'll like go catch up with them.
we die, though.
Huh? Why are you guys just lingering here?
Yeah, Johnny, what the frick are you doing?
I'm not cut out for this.
Be on our own.
Yeah, Johnny, go on your own. Johnny, come this way. Yeah.
I'm going to play Fortnite.
Anthony, are you under me?
Oh, she's here! Tommy! We saw her! I walked in the room! I just saved Tommy!
I'm under the basement, just talking to the spirit box, going, tiptoes, no. And then Tommy's like, Anthony, is that you under? Yeah, I was like, oh, I didn't realize you were, and he just went, what the f is that?
Tommy was by himself in the kitchen, and I was by myself. I locked Johnny in a room, and then I booked it away to like get away from him, and then I ran in on the ghost trying to kill Tommy.
Oh my gosh.
It was like 2 feet
Okay,
from me.
so what's our evidence? What's our evidence?
So far, our evidence is just Dot's projector.
Alright.
Lights turned off.
Faucets. No, that sounds Mike.
No, that's the spirit box.
Oh.
Yeah, I wait.
Get out!
You locked the door. The door's locked. We're dead.
Guys.
We're dead. We're dead.
Guys.
We're dead.
Guys.
We're dead. Sophie!
Please!
Get out! Open the door!
It won't open!
Back away from the...
Oh my god!
Okay, before it, I think it might have done something to Spirit Box. It sounded like the Spirit Box, like,
Yeah, it like...
Hey, I saw Ghost Orb. It's okay.
It is? Okay.
Well, okay,
Tommy's saving at 9.
I can't go in even if I wanted to.
Wait.
That's crazy.
Here, look at the picture right here.
God dang it, photos.
Make sure you
And then the very last one.
Is that you trying to get out?
It's actually trying to get out in the door.
Yeah, I put Dot's, Ghost Orb, and Spirit Box as the evidence.
Dot's Ghost Orb, Spirit Box, it's a yokai. Alright, I'm locked in.
Okay, I just circled it.
Okay, we're getting in here. We have to be correct.
Just know we're not. It says we're wrong.
We got it.
What?
What was it?
It was a
Say.
hey. Hold on.
Does
Let
that
me
check all?
see why we're wrong, and then I'll
Yeah.
What?
Ghost writing. So it should have had writing. I didn't get any writing.
Yeah, you put it in the
So-
freaking
okay,
pentagram.
So it was ghost writing
What the
instead of the spirit
Oh.
box.
Hey, that was our
Shit, no,
that was our second
That's
job, bro.
not No, f that. No, that pisses me off. It did not get weaker over time.
It did not.
Yeah, what?
Square is how you grab something.
What? Kobe. Frick. No!
I'm gonna hit when you. Hey, Johnny,
Kobe.
turn around and bend over.
How do you throw something? What?
She tryna pull vert on my half pipe, Tony Thought. Money flows in my bank account, man, it don't stop. Tryna jug a piss, got stopped, screw cop.
Yo, officer, I'm sorry, I'll stop.